Coinbase has been making news over the last couple of days with their new asset listing process and Coinbase bundles. Let's dive in and take a look at some of the key points of this news that has been coming out from Coinbase over the last couple of days. Hello guys, my name is Rob. Welcome to the channel. Whether you love Coinbase or hate Coinbase, there's no denying that Coinbase is a very large on-ramp for those people new getting into crypto. And they have made some news here, posting on their Coinbase blog about new features and updates they're implementing. And we're going to cover those here, starting off with their new asset listing process, and then we're going to take a look at a new feature called Coinbase Bundles. So first off, starting here on the Coinbase blog, Coinbase's new asset listing process. Our goal is to rapidly list all assets that meet our standards and are compliant with local law, while providing our customers with the tools to discover, evaluate, trade, and use digital assets. So going through the article, I just did want to point out a couple key points here. They say, today we're announcing a new process that will allow us to rapidly list more digital assets that are compliant with local law by satisfying listing requests in a jurisdiction-by-jurisdiction manner. In practice, this means some new assets listed on our platform may only be available to customers in select jurisdictions for a period of time. So Coinbase is really trying to ramp up the offerings of altcoins they are going to offer on the platform. And they continue by saying the new process begins with a form for issuers to submit assets for listing at Coinbase. Then they will evaluate from there. This next part, initially there will be no application fee. So this part right here means we should see a lot of new coins at least applying to be listed on Coinbase. From there, whether or not they get listed, that'll be up to Coinbase's listing criteria. But definitely expect to see an increase here in coins offered on Coinbase in the coming months. That's for sure. That's the direction they're trying to go. And as far as announcing these new listings, they say because listing announcements will become more frequent, we expect to publicly announce the addition of new assets only at or near the time of public launch across one or more of Coinbase products. So once a new coin is expected to come out at or near the time of the public launch, we will hear an announcement from Coinbase beforehand. At or near, what does that mean? A day, an hour, a week beforehand. It's not clear how much time we will have before the coin gets listed on Coinbase to potentially make any moves and trade off of Coinbase news. But at least they are going to make the effort here to announce it publicly before it becomes listed on Coinbase. Those are the main points I took away from this Coinbase blog article. It just seems like they're really going to start ramping up the amount of coins you can buy and trade on Coinbase. Now this next one is interesting. This is Coinbase Bundles. So Coinbase Bundle, a brand new way to buy. Buying a single cryptocurrency can be easy if you know what you want, but knowing which cryptocurrency to buy and feeling confident in that amount you purchase is where a lot of people lose confidence. The Coinbase Bundle takes the opposite approach. So with a Coinbase Bundle, customers choose how much cryptocurrency they want to own. Using the current market cap at the time of purchase, Coinbase calculates a diversified portfolio of available cryptocurrencies that can be purchased with just a few taps. Bundles start as low as $25 and make it easy for anyone to own as much or as little of a stake in cryptocurrency as they see fit. Taking a look at the bundle page here, here is a Coinbase bundle, and you can see the distribution here in coins. The bundle is weighted by the total market cap value of each asset. So this $100 bundle contains 75% Bitcoin, 14% Ethereum, 6% Bitcoin Cash, 2% Litecoin, and 0.78% Ethereum Classic. And they have this nice feature here. If you bought $100 a year ago, it would be worth $155.59 today. And this is what the bundle is going to look like. And simply you just come up to buy bundle and you can purchase this bundle with however much money you have. So I see this as a great thing for those new to the crypto space. Before you'd have to go on and buy currencies one by one, and how do you know which one to buy? Well, for those that want to buy 5 of the top coins all at once, they have this new bundle product. It makes a lot of sense. So I'm interested to hear what you guys think about this bundle product. You think it's a good idea? Do you think it will help crypto adoption? Definitely in the camp that thinks this is a good idea, especially for those new to crypto. It's an easy way to get your hand on a bunch of different cryptos at the top of the market cap spectrum with one click or one purchase, instead of going through and having to buy each coin one by one. I would love to hear what you guys think in the comments below about the new listing process and what coins you think we are going to see here coming up onto the Coinbase platform, as well as what you think about this Coinbase bundle idea. But that's going to do it for me for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to drop a like. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. But that's it. See you in the next one. And as always, stay living that crypto money life.